guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a very brief unboxing for you of this month's Boxycharm Premium. So Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month and I believe 6 full-size items. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and dive in. Boxycharm flourish. They always have a little theme. So right on top we have a, I think this is pronounced Larousse. This is a brush set. Now personally, unfortunately, we're starting off on kind of a bad note. These brushes are not my favorite. Also, they're really expensive and I don't see it. Not that there's anything wrong with the bristles. They're not bad brushes, but it's just like really high prices. This set is a kabuki, a highlight, and a small angled brush. It's an interesting trio, like one random eyeliner brush and then a couple of face brushes, but there you have it. I am not going to take these out of the plastic because I'm not going to keep them. They have these textured handles. Well, I lied. I am really not a fan of these textured handles. I'm sure for some people it would be like nice and tactile, or maybe they just like the grip. It just bothers me. I don't like to hold a brush. They're also very chunky. This is the Larousse Beauty On The Go set. It has a 3-piece with a dense dome brush for foundation and contour, a powder brush for highlighter blush, a small dense angle brush for eyeliner or eyebrows. So I guess that hits all the marks. Like maybe if those are the things that you wear, maybe that makes sense. But this brush set retails for $96. Not in my dizziest day would I pay $96 for these brushes. The quality of the bristles is good though. I'm not bashing it because I have tried some of this brand, but just not for me. We have something from House Labs. This is the Glam Riot No. 1 eyeshadow palette, and we have Fame. Okay, so the box is kind of just classic basic, and we have a pyramid, kind of a chunky palette. It's cute though, it's not crazy. Glam Room No. 1. And this is the Fame palette. So it's like you've got 10 shades, some really pretty neutrals. It's not like incredibly warm or incredibly cool toned. I guess it would be a little bit warmer. It's got a black. I'm interested to see how that black performs. And even though this color story is not anything that special, I do want to try the formula because I've not tried House Labs. So I am interested to see how they do. And this palette goes for $34. I feel like that's pretty reasonable. It's not insane. It's 10 matte, metallic, shimmer, and sparkle to perform on every skin tone. Universal eyeshadow palette gives you the power to play up every persona. So, I mean, that's pretty straightforward, but I am excited for this, so we're 1 and 1 so far. A good one and a bad one. Next, we have something from Serum Kind. This is a hand serum, Black Blossom hand serum. I'm curious, this goes for $27. It says it's intensive care for the skin barrier infused with healing effects of Black Blossom serum. More like a medicinal style tube. Nothing wrong with that. Hand serum. I mean, our hands do take quite a beating and do show a lot of aging, so I guess this makes sense. It's pretty thick. It feels like a hand cream. It's definitely not a serum texture like what you would consider a face serum texture, being a little bit thinner. It doesn't feel thick or heavy, but it does feel a little creamy. You know, it's got some substance to it. It feels nice. The scent is okay. It's a little like a light floral, but it's not too floral. Some floral scents I hate, so this is pretty nice, and it doesn't feel greasy on my hands. I would pop this in my purse as like my hand lotion type of deal. I feel like on the go this would be nice because my hands don't feel like sticky, like I can pick up anything and not feel like my hands are greasy or dirty. That's a big draw for me because a lot of hand lotions, I can't stand it. Like I put on a hand lotion, I'm like, yes, I'm not dry, and then I'm like, ooh, I have to wash my hands. This one's not completely devoid of that feeling because I'm just weird like that, but I think if I just kind of like rub off the excess on my palms and tips of my fingers, I'll be okay. I'm not usually one to get very excited about hand products. Usually when I'm doing my skincare, I'll put like my excess or my last bit that's on my hands onto the back of my hands. So I feel like they get taken care of, but I don't know, it's just not a very exciting item, but having looked at it, I am keen to use it. We have another eye product. This is the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow. I wouldn't have actually been very excited for these, but I did see a video. I can't remember who the creator was, but it was on Instagram applying the shadow, and I thought they looked really pretty. So after that, I was really excited. I got the shade Tiramisumi. I don't know, Too Faced has been not doing much, I feel like. A lot of their recent launches just seem to be more of the same type of deal, but I'm excited for these. I'll definitely give them a try. I think the packaging is quite pretty, and this color looks like it'll be nice. We'll do a little swatch. Okay, so it's like a taupe, but maybe a hint of mauve. I would say mauve-y taupe is the tiramisu. And I'm just gonna blend it out just a little. so you can get a feel for the color. I can definitely see myself wearing that. I think it's a really pretty color. I think it'll go with my complexion and hair and all that. So I'm excited to try this out and see if it'll be maybe an easy eye. I feel like today I could have totally done that because I just threw something on my eyes today and I don't even like how it turned out. I feel like this would have been really pretty, but another day. So these go for $21, not too bad. It's a 2-in-1 whipped liquid eyeshadow for rich, intense, chocolate scented matte color. I smell a little bit of chocolate, but it's not a strong scent, I don't think. It says it can be worn alone or airbrush finish or as a pigmented primer that locks down for 24 hours with crease-proof, waterproof wear. So I definitely am interested to try it. We got something from Rodial. I don't know if it's Rodial or Rodial. You guys let me know if you know the pronunciation. But this is a set of 3 eye masks. I'm not gonna get like extremely excited about this. I do like eye masks, but usually when I get under eye masks, I get like jars of them, especially like the K-Beauty ones. There's so many that you can get. I have a lot of like raccoon ones, panda ones, really cute, and I mean they work, they hydrate, they depuff. So this is just 3. Let's see the cost of these. It says this goes for $18, so $6 a piece. I think that's pretty high for something that you leave on for 15 minutes, but if it works, it works. You know what I mean? It's a biocellulose technology with dragon blood complex to intensely hydrate the delicate eye area and immediate depuff effect. Cooling effect leaves skin refreshed, while arnica extract helps reduce the appearance of bags. One of the reasons these are not as exciting for me is that puffiness and under eye bags is usually not a concern for me. Like actually today I got a little puffy. It's just not a typical problem for me, but every once in a while I do like to wear them, so I'll give those a try. We got one more thing. This is from Bite Beauty. It's the Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon. I do like Bite Beauty products. I mean, we all know, or if you don't know by now, they are like food grade quality. They have changed to everything being vegan, I'm pretty sure. I know at one point they were like changing everything out. I know that they're all clean, just meaning that they are devoid of a lot of bad ingredients. Yeah, they're vegan, gluten-free, and that was always the big draw with Bite. It's like it's edible, it's food grade, it's like that high quality that literally you could eat it. Unfortunately, I got a color that I'm not gonna wear a lot. This one is Midnight Rye. This goes for $26. I mean, $26 for a color that I don't like. I would never pay this, obviously. Lip crayons are nice. They're very handy. I like the kind of formula that they have. This is a creamy matte, so hopefully good, but honestly, just this color is gonna be one that I would reach for, you know, a couple times a year. It's just not the color that I go for often. It's not bad. I actually do kind of like this style of color on me, but it's just not one that I usually go for. It's not the vibe that I'm usually going for, if that makes sense. So for $26, I feel like it's clean, it's good, it's vegan, but I wouldn't pay that, generally speaking, for any lip product when there's so many good lip products out there that are cheaper. So yeah, I mean, not bad, it's whatever. I still feel like I got my money's worth, but like barely, you know, like the palette and the Too Faced eye are the most exciting things to me, mainly because I haven't tried either one of them and it's something new to try. A lot of the other stuff is like, okay, I really don't like those brushes. I think I've reviewed these from my box before and like I don't like them, but I wish it was more like how Ipsy does it, where you rate them and you say, yes, I love, like for me it would be, I love brushes, I don't want this brand. That's that type of thing, because brushes are great. I love receiving them, but there's just something about these that are just not my personal preference. I don't like the chunkiness, I don't like the texture, but that's just, it's whatever. When it comes to the most important part of the brush, they're nice, the bristles. So that is it. Let me know what you think about this box. I feel like it's kind of meh. I'm not mad that I spent $35 on it, but I'm also not ecstatic with my stuff. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I hope you had a great Mother's Day and a great weekend. This should be going up on Mother's Day at night, hopefully, if I had time to edit it. And then you should see a vlog tomorrow and lots of beauty room changes as well, if you're interested in that, like a little clean up, tidy up, rearrange type of thing. And I am going to have a big eyeshadow declutter very soon. I ordered a shelf. As soon as the shelf gets here and I have it put together, I'm gonna like declutter my palettes and then organize them onto the shelf. Hopefully, fingers crossed, at least most of them. I don't know. I don't know how that's gonna go. Probably not. I'm probably dreaming and it's probably like, there's a third of them on the shelf. That'll probably be it. So I do need to do some decluttering. So thank you guys so much for being with me. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for your support on my channel. I have seen a little improvement in my views lately. I feel like YouTube is maybe giving me a break for a while. It was like, we're not showing your videos. So I am excited that maybe it's easing up just a little bit. So hopefully you're seeing this. So yeah, thank you again. I hope you guys have a wonderful night and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.